Did you get that puppy? Did you get that puppy? Huh? Hi. There's Cooper. Go get him. Go get him. She's so tough.
Just toss her over the fence.
Oh God. Toss her over the fence. That's what I know. That's what I'm like laughing about it. She can't even keep up.
Her legs are small. It's right up in there though.
Yeah. Oh, Ellie, who's so tough and brave? Oh, I don't know if I got that.
Oh, Cooper's like perfect.
I know, he's like, love me.